Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video. Today we're going to be doing a blind bag videos. If you don't know what it is, it has toys inside of it, and I got this somewhere, and I can tell you guys because it's a secret. I got it for $14, and it was a pretty good deal. So here is the box. It has a bunch of surprises in there, and it's currently 10 o'clock p.m. right now, but I'm going to do this video late for you guys. So, I took off the wrapping thing that was see-through, so I just ripped that off, and then it has this, and this is just to turn it, where the balls can come out. It's like one of those candy machines that like at the pizza place, but I also have scissors, and I'm just gonna punch it open, I guess. Or yeah, you push it open and then you open it. So it also comes with a checklist. I really don't know what these are, but we're just gonna see what it is. So this is what the checklist looks like. It's the back and the front. I was going to do this video tomorrow, but I have a cousin coming over, so I don't really want to do it with her because I'll have to give her some of these and I don't want to. So I'm doing this right now really quick because my grandma might yell at me for doing this. Because I'm supposed to be cleaning right now. But anyway, I'm going to do this, and how you get the balls out, you just twist this, oh my gosh, to get the balls out, yeah, see, and then you just pop it out, and then it comes in these containers, and I thought it was going to be hard to open these up, but they're really not. So this is what the bag looks like, the back, well this is front, and then this is the back. I never opened these kind before, but they look really cool. So it comes with legs and an outfit. And I don't know if it comes with hair. All it comes with is legs and this cute skirt. I think I'm supposed to be collecting them. This is brand new. This is like, I guess this is brand new. But this is, oh my gosh. Sorry, my sentences are very confusing for you guys. But, how do I freaking put this stupid thing on? Gosh, it's so tiny. Maybe if I poke the little thing through? I don't know. But here's the cute like the skirt or something, and then here's the legs. It doesn't come with any hair or a head, so I think you have to collect them. So, and put it right here and see what I get next. Come on, balls. Ow! That hurt. I have a stupid hangnail, and it's really annoying when I have those. Why is it not coming out? These are really stupid. How does these work? Oh my gosh, you guys. Fall out. Fall out. I think it's stuck. There we go. Oh my god. guys. I finally got it. I think it was just jammed in the box. But here's what it looks like once again. And it's small this time. So let's see. Oh, and also, I forgot to post the thing for the pumpkin carving video. So I'll post it tomorrow since it's getting late. And I think this is for my top dress. So let's see. These look really weird, so I really don't know which one it is. It's supposed to be having hearts on it. Maybe. Is it like mix match or something? Because I have no clue. So I'm just gonna put all the pieces together, I guess, and then I'll put them in later. Apparently, because I really have no idea how to do this, because once again, I'm very new to these surprises. Oh, there's actually a tear strip on here. I never knew that. Oh, this is a head. And I have no idea what this is. But this is the head. I have the hiccups. And then this is something I don't even know what it is. So I believe this goes here. And then, wait, hold on. This goes there. And then oh my gosh. You guys, this is so hard. Why is everything hard for me? I think this thing just goes under the dress instead of putting the feet inside on the top. So I have the dress, well, part of the dress, and then what the hell? This is so weird, you guys. So that's how you do it. And then you put the head here. Oh. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna have to do part 2 on this because my grandma will get mad at me if I'm not doing my cleaning. So I'm probably just gonna do 5 of these and then end this video and then do another part 2 tomorrow. Why is this so hard? Well, the thing just came apart. I have an appointment tomorrow, and I hate going to this appointment, and you guys already probably know what it is. It's the dentist. You know what, you guys? I have no idea. I really don't. I don't really know how to do this. I don't even know why I did this video. Well, this is really getting weird. I don't know if this is supposed to go inside the dress or this thing's supposed to go in. I think this is supposed to go there, and that's supposed to go there. And that arm's supposed to go there. And this thing's supposed to go. I swear, I'm getting sick of this stupid thing. No wonder why nobody wanted to buy this. They're like not valuable. I wish there was like Velcro. But anyway, this is what she looks like. Her front and then her back. So it's really hard to get their outfit on, so I'm just gonna leave that out because it's taking too much time of this video. So I'm gonna put these things over there and get another one because that took way too long. One shoe and a purse. Oh wait, there's another shoe. Never mind. So I guess that goes with that person. I don't know, you guys. I'm just... What? Yeah, in a minute. Sorry, you guys. That's my grandma. Hopefully, I don't know what this is. another pair of shoes. And oh my gosh, I just lost a piece. Oh my god, this is so tiny. Like, look how tiny that is. I could easily lose this. I'm just taking all the pieces off because it's, you know. Okay, next one. And also, if you're wondering, I spend this with my own money. I really like how they designed this box. It's really cute. After this one, I have to go get my purse from the living room because my grandma will start yelling at me if I'm not doing it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the accessories that I got. So, from the other package. So this is, I know you guys can't see, but it's a rose. And then she has these purple shoes. And, of course, this one too. And then these weird white ones. I don't know if you guys can see them. And I only got these to do a video for you guys. I don't even play with toys anymore. To be honest, I don't. I just like doing it for you guys and doing videos. And I think this is a ring because it fits on my finger. And I'm already like 12 now. So I can play like video games and watch stuff on electronics. And yeah, so even though I have a lot of toys, I don't even play with them. So if you guys want any of mine toys, then contact me. Well, not contact me, but just DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram in the description box so you can ask me if you want any. I don't know what this is, but I think this is a little cape. I think it's kind of cute, but honestly, I don't really know what it is, but it's really fuzzy. On to the next one. Well, I said I was going to get my purse, but just one more, and then I'll be right back. These are so fun to open that I can't stop opening, even though I said I'm going to do 5 of them. So maybe I'll do all of them, but if you guys want to skip, go ahead. And I don't really care if you guys do because I don't have a lot of subscribers on this channel, so if you guys want to skip, go ahead. Here's another one. And just open and tear. And another tear because it didn't open it well. Or do this. Okay, let's see what they have in here. Oh, this is probably another duplicate. Well, I don't know. They look, yeah, it's not a duplicate. But here's a head. And I don't know what these are. I think they're like stands to stand them up or something. But yeah. So that was in that one. And then let's just open one more. And then I'll go get my purse this time, I promise. And then I'll come back and we can do a couple more and then I'll end this video. I another head. Okay, well, actually there's, oh my god, what are these stands? I have no idea what those stands are, but I'll be right back, you guys, and I'll have to turn off the light because there's flies in my house, and yeah, so I'm gonna get my purse, be right back, and if you see why it's dark, then you know why, and peace. Don't turn off the, well, I don't even know what I'm saying, but just skip until I come back, and it will only be like 2 minutes until I be back. Okay, bye. Ow, ow, ow. Shut my door, shut my door. Okay, you guys, I am back. I think I'm almost done with all the surprises. I don't really know how much I have left. I hate when they put tape on here. Let's see what I have. Why are they not putting any stupid hair? Like, are they gonna be bald or something? What the heck? I think this is a dress, but that's what it looks like. And then, guessing this is a skirt. And after I am done with the finishing openings, I only have like 15 left. So, and then I will do the checklist, and then I'll put them together. Or yeah. Well, I'm probably gonna have to do part 2, you guys, because there's more than I thought there would be. So they're so jammed in this box. Come out. What is wrong with this box? I just want to rip this box open and work. Yep, it worked. Finally. What the heck? It's a different... What are these doing in here? I might need scissors for this one because it's a different container. See? This one's hard. This one's plastic. And if you hear yelling, that's my grandma, so just ignore that. How do I open these? I did not see that happening. Finally, hair. Oh, so this is a cute hairband. Well, headband, not hairband. And so here's the hair. And then here's another hair, I guess. And here is this. So, I have a question for you guys. For some reason, a bunch of my stuff is missing in my bedroom. And I already think I know who it is. And it's one of my friends. And I think, yeah, hold on. Like when I have my friends over, like some of my things are disappearing, and so far I haven't got my highlighters back, and yeah, so it's I think I have which person it is, and I'm not gonna say who its name is, because it's a girl. It's not any boys or anything, but it is a girl. And she's been my friend for a couple years now. And if you don't know who you are, please do not take anything from my room anymore. It's my privacy, and just don't look in my drawers or anything. I'm just telling you guys, you're not getting in trouble with your parents or anything. I'm just telling you guys. I'm just saying. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I think this outfit's really cute. Do you think this is pretty? It has glitters on it. And let's see what's else in here. Another legs. Oh my gosh. And I think this is a neck piece. Yeah, it's probably a neck piece. Here's one of these things again. I don't really have to use the scissors. Probably the hair thing again. Oh my god, these are so cute. Here's these cute buns, like these hair, like the back of the hair. It's really cute. And I don't know what the heck this is, but it's this, and oh my god, I can't show you guys. And then here's a front side. It's weird. And I don't know what these are either, but I think there's like a top piece to go on the head. Like here it is. It's really cute. And for now on, when I have my friends over, I'm gonna be hiding my stuff because I don't want to get my stuff stolen again. So I'm gonna be hiding in a secret place that nobody will know where it is. And comment in the comment section when I try and figure out why it's not letting people comment on my videos. But if I can fix it this time, comment down below if this is a good idea to hide my valuable stuff so nobody will take any of it. And right now I'm just cleaning up my bed area so it'll be nice and clean. Because my grandma sleeps in my bed, and you're probably wondering where I sleep. I sleep in my mom's room. And yeah. And also, if I fix the comments again, comment down below. Have you ever played the Among Us? I just started playing it this week, and so far, it is very fun. I've been the imposter a couple of times, and a lot of people think it's me because I don't chat, like I don't talk in the chat, and yeah. And you think this, and you probably think this is a kiddie game, but it's really not. It's for adults too, and teens too, which I'm a teen, and yeah, it's also for adults too. And if you guys want to download the app, it's in the App Store, and you can download on your iPads or any kind of electronics you have, except for on the computer. And yeah, that's on the electronic you can't download it on. Well, actually you can, as long as you just search it up on your computer on websites. So actually you can't do that. Are you serious? There's a fly in my room again, you guys. I hate flies. So I'm surprised I could fit all my wrapping trash in there. So I'm just going to keep it in there for a while until, oh gosh. So here's how you wrap this thing. You twist it, and then I don't know if it's in there yet, but you twist it a couple of times, and I think it's jammed, because I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, and then you twist it one more time, and then it pops out into here, see the thing, and then you poke it out, well, take it out, not poke it out, and then you squeeze it, not too hard. Well, actually, no, you don't squeeze it, you just, that scared me. Okay, there's a fly in here, so I'm going to turn off the light really quick so it can get out. It'll take a sec, you guys. Finally. The fly is out. So the only reason why I keep turning off my light is because it prevents the fly to go out, and so it won't be in here flying anymore. So yeah. These are so cute. So Here's a purple boot, and that's what it looks like on the top. And then here's also the other pair. And then also, I never knew that these were rings, but I'll give one to my cousin when she comes. Are you serious? There's another one in my room. Guys, this is going to be my last one I'm going to be doing because it's getting really late and my eyes are really tired. And you're probably wondering why the screen looks weird is because I have my my light off because there's a fly in here. And like I said, it prevents the flies to go out because there's no light in here. And they only like to be in here when it's like light, like a bright light. So I think it's gone now. Ow, ow, ow. I stepped on a thumbnail. Those are not good to step on. Usually these are hard to open even though they have a tear strip because usually they don't open all the way when you do the tear strip. So you have to just like pull them together like this and then they'll open up more. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So here's this piece. And here's this for hair. So, and also, here's a big one, a big hair. So this empty space is to go on top of their head, and then this is the back of their hair. So that's the end of the ones I'm going to be doing for today. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be doing any more of these because I'm not going to be doing any more of these, of the videos of doing this because as you can see, it's way too long and I only have like 5 or 10 left. So I'm just going to save this for me and my cousin to do. So, but first, before I end this video, I'm going to go through the checklist and see what we have and check them off. So I'm going to get something to mark the boxes with. And I think I already found one. Got my soda here. Okay. So I have this pen. It's a gel pen and I'll probably need something for it to write on top of, so I'm using the box. And so, let's see what we have. And it's probably going to be hard for me to see what one looks like because they're kind of different than mine. So, Let's see. I'm going to start with this one. Let's see. Sorry guys, if you guys heard that growl, that was me. Because I have soda, and usually it makes me burp, so, yeah. Let's see. I don't really know which one this goes to. Oh, here it is. Instead of doing... Oh, wait, never mind. So, I'm thinking that maybe this one I just showed you guys could be... the ones on the other side. Why is it so hard? They don't look alike. Okay, so that is very hard to do. So I'm just gonna start with the clothes and see if that's not hard for me to do. Is this one of them? 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 Oh great, my mama's here. Okay, you guys, I do not see them in the checklist. And soon. Okay, moving on. I just had to calm down for a minute. So, because I'm very stressed with all this homework and running around and doing errands with my mom and my family and not be able to stay home by myself. So, they let me stay home by myself once in a while, but I'm always nervous to stay by myself because I don't know what will happen when I'm in the house. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I have and stacked in a pile, and I'll see you guys right now. Well, I'm already in right now, but you can see the Frozen. I don't care what you think the Frozen right here, because I don't care what people think about what I like about Frozen. You guys sometimes make fun of me about Frozen, but I'm just gonna let that go, and I won't really care about that, because don't judge a book by its cover. Like, don't judge a person by its cover, because that kind of relates to being rude to others. So, well, not really, but I don't really know how to explain all this, but if you guys see that the Frozen stuff and I don't show them in my TikTok dance videos, because I don't think you guys would make fun of me in the comments, but please don't make fun of me about the Frozen stuff. But I'll show you guys right now about what I have in the pile. I couldn't do the checklist because they didn't have all the stuff on the checklist. Well, they probably do, but I couldn't find them on there that looks like the same thing. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So, sorry if my sheet's a little bit messy from the other video. I did the pumpkin carving, which I'll post right now as soon as my mom gets home from work. So here is all the stuff that I got from today from those surprises. Is this really cute? My favorite dress is for the doll is this one. This one's very pretty with all the roses. And I believe this and this goes with that outfit. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to look in the camera, but it's very hard to do when you're not looking at what you're actually doing. But that actually looks like the same thing. And then if you put these purple, purple pearl shoes, that would probably match that outfit. Don't you think that will? Because, oh my gosh, I think it will. So you have the purple shoes and this really cute rose gray dress, and then the necklace, I guess, and then here's all the other ones. I couldn't figure out how to put them together because they're really hard to put on the body, and the only one part that was really hard for me to put on is the dress on the bodies, but the other parts were easy to do, but just not the dresses. And also this one's very cute. This is the first one that we did in the first surprise, and I was struggling putting this dress on the legs, and I tried to put 2 feet in the dress, but as you can see, it's in a small hole, so you can't even fit it in there. And sorry if my nails look really, really gross. I'm going to be getting my nails done. I'm going to be getting my nails done Sunday. My mom just got me a $50 gift card, and I'm going to do my hands and my feet. And I haven't got my nails and toes done for a while because of COVID going on. And I'm going to get the colors of my costume I'm going to be wearing for Halloween. What I'm going to be doing for Halloween is we're doing a neighborhood party, like a neighborhood Halloween party. Even though we're supposed to be social distancing on Halloween, we're still going to be doing social distancing and staying apart from each other, but we're going to have a fun time. And if you guys want to join, well, I don't think you're supposed to join us. I was going to ask you if you guys want to join our neighborhood for a party, but I don't know if, like, friends can come over and do the Halloween party with us because you don't live in our neighborhood. So I'm sorry. Whatever you guys are going to be doing for Halloween, just chilling and eating a bowl of candy and watching a movie. But anyway, I hope you guys will like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so you know if I whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Wait, roll. Oh my god. Bye, guys.